Camp Supplies is Vessel's flagship product, and it's our compact adventure kit. Camp Supplies comes pre-packed with over 70 outdoor essential items. Like all Vessel products, it is indestructible and waterproof. It's also lightweight and coming in at just under 1 pound. It's easy to pack and always easy to carry. Now, let's take a look at what's inside. Everything in here is hand curated to support a variety of adventures, making sure you have what you're ready for pretty much anything. Here we have our 4-mode 200 lumen LED light. It's a long press on for high beam, low beam, red, and SOS. The other end cap is an oil-filled precision compass. It's a great outdoor navigational tool. Now, let's get into our pre-packed essential gear tins that live inside our Vessel cylinder. Here we have our first aid mini medical kit. Inside of this tin, we have 6 bandages, 10 wound closure strips, 2 antiseptic wipes, and 2 safety pins. It's perfect to take care of any minor injuries and those pesky trail blisters. Fire starter kit. Inside this kit, it comes with 5 waterproof Tinder Quick fire starters, 10 waterproof matches, and a single striker. It's perfect getting a fire going no matter what the conditions. Here is our rope and razor blade tin. Inside this tin is 25 feet of marine grade rope. This rope is on a single spool and it is a 250 pound breaking strength. It also has an extra sharp single blade razor. This tin is perfect for hanging your wet gear on a line and or shaving some kindling to help get that fire going. Here's our fishing tackle tin. Inside this tin comes 3 worms, 6 J hooks, split shot, 1 bobber, and 35 feet of fishing line. Perfect to catch your evening's dinner. Here's our 4-hour beeswax candle tin. This is a pure Canadian beeswax candle. It has no additives or toxic hardeners. It has 4 hours of burn time. It's perfect for fixing your zipper, mending some gear, bringing some warmth inside your tent, or even some light in the middle of the night. Here we have our wire saw tin. Inside this tin is a standard issued by the British military wire saw. It has 60 pounds working strength and canvas straps to make it easy to form into a bow saw. This would be perfect application to cut yourself larger branches to make an emergency shelter. Our water purification tin comes with 10 AquaTab water purification tablets. It also can purify 7.5 liters of water, and it also comes with a 1 liter Whirlpack water bag. Perfect for dipping into that river and making sure that you're drinking clean water. Here's our miscellaneous gear tin. Inside this tin lives our aluminum beadless whistle, perfect for calling for help, 2 gear ties to hang your gear, a mini sewing kit, perfect to repair any broken gear, and a versatile P38 military GI can opener, awesome for opening up a can of soup. We also have a signaling mirror on the bottom of the lid. Here's our trail marking and repair and first aid tape. It's extra strong and it's multi-purpose. It can bandage wounds, mark trails, and repair your gear. Perfect for out on the trails. Here is our bamboo cloth. It's 100% biodegradable and made out of bamboo. It unfolds to 12 by 20 inches, and it would be perfect for filtering water, cleaning a wound, or even acting as a tourniquet in emergency situations. And that is the overview of our Vessel Camp Supplies kit. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. It's been awesome. We're excited to have you guys as partners, and we're really excited to watch what Vessel is doing not only today, but also in the future. Thank you very much.